Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. Check your monitor supports the target refresh rate, like 60, 75, 120, or 144 Hz. Once that is done, open Penguin Paradise and go straight to Settings, then Display or Graphics. Make sure you set the game to full screen or borderless, because windowed modes may lock HC. Close background apps that can override display modes. Now, keep the Settings panel open. You will change the value in the next step. You now select the refresh rate or display mode option inside the game. Pick the desired HC from the drop-down, for example 60 or 144. Because drivers and the OS can override the game, make sure your graphics control panel and Windows display settings match that same value. Once you apply changes, perform a quick runtime test, pan the camera, or trigger fast motion to see if the animation is smoother. If the frame pacing looks inconsistent, go back and toggle V. You finish by saving your settings and, if prompted, restarting Penguin Paradise so the new HC takes effect. Make sure to lock the configuration by creating a profile in the game or GPU utility. If you see tearing or stutter after switching, toggle V-Sync or enable G-Sync/FreeSync to reconcile frame output versus monitor refresh. One key troubleshooting tip: if the desired HC does not appear, update your GPU driver and verify your cable is DisplayPort or HDMI version that supports the target refresh rate.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.